Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2022 Ford Transit. This is a long wheelbase medium roof variant coming with 38,000 miles upon the clock. It's a 5-doored large van, and this does come with 3 cloth-lined seats, as you will see when I open up the cab just here. Armrest for the driver. This is a 6-speed manual transmission, diesel fuel type of course. This does also have radio and Bluetooth connectivity upon the screen just here. And if I do just show you the load area in the back, as you can see, it is rather extensive. Ply lined interior lit, does come with cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry, and a bulkhead without any scratches in it whatsoever, suggesting that the previous owner did only use this van for light loads. And now, if you would like to find out more about this specific Ford Transit, or any other Ford Transits for that matter, please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or why not visit our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to ask one of our specialists more about this specific vehicle, or other ones on site as well. Thank you very much.